This is the Expanded Start video tutorial that explains the Daily Activities Report. For a quick start version of this tutorial, with minimal explanations and no navigation, select the Quick Start Daily Activities Report video. Normally, you would review this report by starting with the workflow navigation or selecting this report after you edit the schedule. The Daily Activities Report displays the daily number of work hours scheduled for sales task activities and the specific and total number of work hours scheduled for all sales non-task activities, such as consulting delivery. This information gives you a clear illustration of the amount of time that is available daily to work on task activities in the Run Optimization simulation when determining the optimized critical task calendar and the predicted opportunity close dates. It also gives you the detailed schedule of your individual sales non-task activities. I will start with an overview of the Daily Activities Report, and then we'll walk through the navigation. The columns of the report display for each day the activity date, the day of the week, the date on which this item was entered in the schedule, the activity type, task sales activity, and we see an example here, or non-task sales activity, the name of the specific activity, and the number of hours scheduled to work on this activity. And we'll just scroll down a little to see this part. Below the individual specific activities is a summary of the work hours for the sales task activities and the sales non-task activities, as well as the total number of hours scheduled for that particular day. This report also checks that this summary matches the information in the mass schedule report and displays an error message if this is not the case. I'm going to scroll back up to the top. You can get a PDF copy of this report by clicking on the PDF button in the right-hand corner of the screen. You can log out from Time to Money at any time, and when you have completed your session, by clicking on the Sign Out menu item in the upper right-hand corner of all Time to Money screens. After reviewing the selected report, to continue this session, just scroll up to the New tab and click on the return arrow to return to the selected workflow. In this demo, you would be returned to the Run Simulation and Review Alerts and Reports workflow, where you may decide to review another report. I click on the Workflow tab to start the navigation process. This navigation is the same as used by your internet browsers. The confirmation activation, and we see the choices here, when set to yes, displays all of the confirmation information for each of the choices you select in a gray color. Confirmation information cannot be changed during a run, only later by changing the user profile. The default settings in your user profile is no, but I will change this to yes to display the confirmation information. And we can see that this results in Time to Money displaying the following additional information: the record creation time, which is the current date and time, and your company or organization name. And I'll just scroll down here to start. First, select from the pull-down menu the workflow you want to activate. See the choices. And for this demo, I select Run Simulation and Review Alerts and Reports. The description of your selected workflow is displayed below the selection so that you can be sure this is your desired workflow. If this is not your desired workflow, then simply select another workflow from the pull-down menu. And we'll scroll down to section 3. Confirm this is your desired workflow by selecting Yes, Activate Selected Module. This selection results in Time to Money automatically navigating to that workflow. You must not click on the Submit button, as noted in this warning at the bottom of the screen. This navigation applies to all workflows. Demo Builder displays the selected workflow module in a new tab. And for this demo, I will also change the confirmation activation to yes. And scrolling down, I select from the pull-down menu the individual module that we want to activate. And for this demo, I'm going to select Daily Activities Report. And the description of this selected module is displayed below the selection so that you can be sure that this is your desired module. And if it's not your desired module, you simply select another module from the pull-down menu. And you confirm this is your desired module by selecting Yes, Activate Selected Module. Time to Money displays your selected report home screen in a new tab. And this completes the expanded tutorial video that explains the Daily Activities Report.